I'm Joost and I'm here with the 3.0 Softer Cat Groomer, and it has everything you need right here in the box. So you have the Self Cat Groomer right here with these bristles. Then you have some catnip in here, and you have the adhesive strips or even some screws if you want to screw this in. So let's install this. Now this is very easy to attach. You can attach it to either a flat surface or a corner surface, which is quite handy right here. And the bristles are quite sturdy, so some hair can really stick to that. But you can also really easily take that off again if you need to. Then put some catnip in between. So the cat will really be attracted to it and will start grooming itself. So it's really easy to put together. Just put on the tape or the screws if you'd like, but it's really not necessary. So you can do this in a corner or a flat surface and then just stick that to the wall and it will stick quite sturdily, so this won't come off. So I really recommend this one for anyone looking for a really handy, easy cat groomer.